In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple Pay card not added contact your card issuer. If you're seeing the card not added message and it tells you to contact your card issuer, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you rule out common causes and get Apple Pay working again. Start on your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. This is where all Apple Pay setup and troubleshooting begins. From here, choose Add Card. On the next screen, make sure you select the correct card type, debit, credit, or transit. Picking the right category matters because each type follows different verification rules with your bank or transit provider, and choosing the wrong one can trigger errors even if the card itself is fine. If you're prompted to find your bank or card issuer, use the search bar and select the exact match for your bank's name and region. Some issuers have multiple listings or specific brands, so be precise. Selecting the correct entry ensures Apple Pay routes your request to the right system for verification. Now, scan your card using the camera or enter the card details manually if the scan doesn't read clearly. Double check the number, expiration date, and security code before you continue. Small typos can cause the contact your card issuer message to appear, so it's worth taking a moment to confirm everything is accurate. If the error continues, go back to Settings, tap General, and then Software Update. Install the latest iOS update available and restart your iPhone. Updates often include important fixes for Wallet, Apple Pay, and bank compatibility. The restart helps clear any background process that might be blocking the add card flow. After your iPhone starts back up, return to Wallet and Apple Pay and try adding the card again through the same setup steps. If it still says contact your card issuer, the next move is to reach out to your bank directly. The card may be blocked due to recent activity, it could be expired, it might not support Apple Pay, or your bank may require additional verification, like confirming your identity before enabling the card for digital wallets. Your bank can check the status, lift any holds, confirm Apple Pay eligibility, and complete the activation so the card can be added successfully. Your bank can confirm the issue and help activate the card for Apple Pay. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.